Hello everyone, I'm Yan and we meet again in HR and Legal Department video series. Today HR and Legal Department would like to introduce you some information that related to employee attendance. As we know, employee attendance is considered as a key factor in determining the employee performance. The timekeeping is not only tell us how employees show up for work, but also have company easier to calculate salary and other additional benefits. To ensure that the employee attendance is updated correctly, today HR and Legal Department would like to make a video to show more detail about that. The video will have 3 parts. At the first part, I will show you some usual attendance formula that we are using to put attendance for employee every day. The second part will show for admin how to process attendance on HR system correctly. And the last part, all of us will find out more about how to recheck our attendance in SSO system. Okay, let's start with the first part. As you can see here, in HR system have so many kind of attendance formula. But to be easier, I will show you some formula that we are usually use. The attendance formula have 2 parts, the letter and the number, separated by a colon. The letter is show for the shortcut of attendance, and the number will show the amount of time, the hour. You can see here the formula. X is present to the normal working day. An example, H:8 is mean that staff work full day for 8 hours. AL is present for annual leave, UL for unpaid leave, AC accident, SL for sick leave, and so on. For overtime or overtime shift, beside the official workday formula, we add more formula of overtime or overtime shift. Example, if staff work full day in Saturday, we will put H4 for the normal working day of him, and in the afternoon we will put more for him, OW4. So the formula should be X4, OW4. For overtime holiday the same. If staff standby, we put HH, OH8. So I have introduced some usual attendance formula. I hope that you can understand, and when go to the part 3, you can easier to check your attendance on SSO system. Move on to the second part, update attendance in HR system. You go to timekeeping, report timekeeping, choose your brand and date to update. Normally in account of admin brand will have only your brand only, so you don't need to choose brand anymore, but you can choose the date. Click quick attendance and the system will show you all the list attendance of all staff at your branch. And then you start to update for them the correct real attendance. Example, annual leave for staff take leave annual leave, and unpaid leave UL for staff have no annual leave anymore. We also have paid leave and maternity leave. Continue like that until you finish and save the result. move on to the second part, you check the update attendant again. In this system will show you all the day in current months, so you can easily to check the formula of attendant of staff of all month. The last step we cannot update TDT, so in this step we will update TDT for staff driver who stand by at night. So the system will open for you 2 days. Normally open 2 days for you to update. For staff TDT, you put more TDT for them, and for staff working overtime, we can put OW4 for Saturday and OW8 for Sunday. Continue like that for all staff and save before you move to another page. In the second page and the third page, you do the same. And check all the current list staff, current attendant, and update for staff correctly. So finished update attendant for staff, daily attendant. The rest of video today, all of us will find out how to recheck our attendant in SSO system. First, we'll log into the SSO system, and in the right hand side of the screen, you can see here the attendant information, attendant info table. In this table, we can see the day with the green tick is your working day, and the day with the house shape is the day that you take leave. You can also click to view more to easier to see more detail the formula of all day in month, the overtime, leaves, or you also can see the previous month in here when click the bottom period. You check again on the formula, and if you see any day that your attendant is not correct, please inform your admin immediately, and they will adjust again for you.
For video today, I hope that all of you can more understand about the importance of attendant management. You all can recheck your attendant in SSO system easily. HR and legal department hope that you can enjoy every hour, every day at work, and success career with G.I Services.